to Montreal.
Hello.
Right now we're going to do some jet boating.
Some Saute Moutons in Montreal where we get to go ride on the rapids. It's going to be a great time. We're going to get soaked.
Soaked. We're going to have waves hitting our faces and bodies so strong that we're going to shift 2 feet to the left, maybe enter a different dimension.
Maybe
That's how
lose
strong.
a person. Hopefully not one of us.
Hopefully not. You know, let's high five this stuff. Let's do it.
Let go.
You got to get this going.
Let's go. All right, everybody. We're going to do some rafting.
We're going to get a little wet.
On 3, can I hear splash? 1, 2, 3.
Splash! Splash.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay, boys, listen up. Down the other end. Come on, get down here.
Go.
No noise. Mesdames et messieurs, ladies and gentlemen.
I gotta go change out of these shorts because they're gonna be soaking wet in like 2 seconds.
It's gonna be intense. This is gonna be a thing. Are you ready to see us look all like rubber ducks? Get ready.
Get tip real quick, right? People are kind of like nervous. They don't know what to expect. You don't know until the first wave hits you how serious the situation is. People think this is a joke. People think we're just going out for like a casual stroll. It's the real stuff.
What's up, Montreal? This is Todd, your guide. Your captain is Eric. Everybody look at the camera and say hi. What's up, Montreal? Hey dude, you're gonna take care of Stuart. Put him in the bag, and when I tell you, take him out. What's your name? Matt. Matt? Okay, Matt's got Stuart. Stand up, everybody up!
Just got off the Saute Moutons. I feel almost like wobbly because it was so intense. It was nuts. I got punched and kicked and all kinds of water slappage. Now my hair is clean and hopefully I can find a comb to tame this beast.
Yeah, this was definitely a lot of fun and probably the best shower that I've ever had. But it really was extreme when you go into the waves, especially like when you move with the waves at the same time.
It was awesome. I really like it. Being on the front is like, no way. It was a blast.
It was amazing. Like for some seconds, it looks like you are underwater. So it's just fantastic. You must do it at least once here in Montreal. Amazing.
This is definitely one of those things that you just gotta try out. I mean, where else can you say that you had fun splashing around in the rapids?
Hey, we just finished up.
We're done.
How do you feel about it?
I mean, I'm pumped
Yeah.
and then like tingling.
Yeah.
Remember how we said the tingling
Yeah.
sensation
It
of
hits
after the
you.
adrenaline hit? Oh, that was great. And
I'm exhausted. Like all we did was sit in that boat and had the waves hit us, and I feel like I ran a marathon.
it was
Straight up.
nuts. I've never run a marathon, but if I
Neither
could,
have I imagine.
I imagine it would be that.
And you know what? Honestly, like this is probably like I know we said there's a couple things in the old port that like are fun. People don't really know about. This has to be one of the craziest things you could do in Montreal that I don't think anybody has any idea exists. So do yourself a favor, check it out. The boat ride is fun. The people, the hosting, the entertainers that are doing it
Oh
are
my
crazy
god, they're
fun.
crazy amazing.
This is one of the best things you can do. Bang for buck here. This is nuts. Check it out. Hey, it's Alex from What's Up Montreal. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe right over here. If you want to see more awesome videos about Montreal, click right over here. Now I'm gonna see if I can try to eat some of these cupcakes because I'm starving right now. I'm just gonna. No, it's a wall. Why does this keep happening? Come on. Friend Stewart. Bye bye.